Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 12.1-inch ANC screen from 2 CCFL to our newest LED upgrade kit called LSB series. Okay, so LSB series we are using different strips, LED strips, and which is already stick to a L-shaped reflectors. So when you receive it, when you use it, you have to peel off this blue cover tips. Show you. I mean protective tips is, oops. Okay, see that? You need to peel it off before you use it. Okay, so but anyway, let me show you how to use upgrade. This kit comes with the LSR series comes with the LED strip with L-shaped reflector, drivers, and wire adapters. Basically, you can just connect your existing inverter wire harness to here, because original this screen has a the same pin out with this one. So let's take a look at screen. This screen is called NL10276BC24-13. NL10276BC24-13. It's a 12.1-inch, which should have 1024 by 768 resolution. Before we do that, we show you. I want to check it out to compare the difference with the nits. Okay, so this is a backlight. Okay, this is let me see this. This is the right directions. Okay, so just connect to it. All right. I think we should do this. Yes. And then we're gonna apply power to our tester so we can see this display and see the original one was on its data sheet would say about 300 nits. So let's see what happens. Oh, you see it? I'm not sure if you see it or not, but maybe this is, you can see better, right? So let's put up the white screen when we do the measurements. Alright, I have a meter here, so let's do a 184.3. 217.7, 235.4. The reason it keep going up because CCFL needs warm up a little bit. So let's say put the toughest one. Let's say 240. How's that? So 240 need with the CCFL lamp. So shut off, remove it powers, and we're gonna try to upgrade to our LS R series is quite easy. And so basically you see this plastic clips, you push it down, grab the wire, push it out. Okay, so it's that simple. Make sure it's inside screen. So let's take a little lamp. Lamp's actually pretty new, as you can see. So we put it 240 or 250, doesn't matter. So this is our LED kit. I already peeled off the protective film. So basically you just do like this. Slice right inside. Okay, see that? And then usually I will whip the tips to just secure the wire. Got it? It's done. So because this one comes with the driver, so you can just plug in either connectors, and you can connect your existing inverter, ANC inverter wire harness to here. But this one I have here already pre-made for, which is the same pin as my tester here. So remember, we just tested. It's 184, 217, 234, we put it 240 or 250, doesn't matter. Okay, let's take a look. No soldering required. Okay, I think this is, you can see better. I think you already see the difference, but anyway, don't trust your eyes, just trust your meter. Alright, let's take a look. 1600 nits. $1577 nits, 1577 nits. $1577. Wow, what a big difference. So now you see the difference. Just simply swap out with our LSR series for this LCD screen and we make a big difference. Okay, thank you for watching.